Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you change your Twitter settings to see sensitive content today, in this video I'll show you exactly how, but you have to stick around till the end and follow carefully because I have two methods for you to. So the first one's easier to do but it doesn't always work. The second one is guaranteed to work but it might be a little bit complicated for some people, so let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way. We go to your Play Store and or App Store and make sure to update the Twitter or the X app to the latest version available. And once you do that, you can finally go ahead and open the X app or Twitter. Make sure you are logged in and then tap on the profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings and support to expand the little list right here and tap on the settings and privacy. Once you're here, all you need to do is to tap on privacy and safety. Then you'll find content. You see this one right here and tap on it. Now this is what you're looking for. Just make sure this toggle is turned on. That is next to display media that contains sensitive content. Once you turn it on, we're not stopping there. You have to tap on search settings and then make sure this tick right here is turned off in order to for the sensitive content to not be hidden. Yeah, just like that. Now once you're done from that, you should be good to go. As I said in the beginning of the video, for some people not find this option here on the app, so we have to go to your browser, which might be a little bit complicated for some people, but I'll make it easier for you. So go to your browser and go to twitter.com and log in for the same account that you wanted to remove the censorship, and tap here in the top left corner again, then tap on settings and support tab. Tap on settings and privacy right now here, and tap on privacy and safety. It's similar to the one that on the apps. I'll tap on to content, you see right here. Now do the same here, make sure this one is ticked and then go to search settings and make sure this one is unticked, just like that now. And from there, once you go into your Twitter app and browse on your content, you will find the heading content on hitting the new font sensitive content. If it was a little bit complicated for you, you can make it here and search for content you see right now, and you tap on it and from there and you do the same thing we did before a minute ago. Now this is that is it. Does it now? Once you browse again through your Twitter app, you'll find that the sensitive content is not hidden anymore, but you have to wait for a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes for the settings to sync with the ones on the app. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. It really does help. And also don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one and for future solutions. And thanks for watching.